What's going on, guys? I'm back, still messing with the radiator, and like I said from the previous video, I had to figure out how to take these off and put them on a new one because the new one doesn't have them on here. So I'm going to take some vice grips to take it off. Easy. Okay, got one off. Now I hope they both are like the same length. Alright, so I got one off. One more. Okay, two. So I got both of those off. To make sure. Okay, this is the top one. This is the bottom. They almost the same. This is the top one. This is the bottom one. Slightly different, but not much. I believe these both about the same. Alright. So, see, that was the top one. Alright. Now it's time to put these on. This for the top. Oh man. I gotta take that off too. Hold on. I gotta clean that one up. It's not going straight in there like that. Alright, give me a second. I gotta clean this off, so. Alright, guess I gotta take this bolt off. Let me see. Move. Alright, I think I'll take this bolt off. There we go. Okay. Okay. Got one off. Okay. Now let's see. Will it fit in here now? Okay, it is. But I just gotta tighten it up, and I gotta know which one is which. I forgot that quick. I believe this is the bottom. I know this is the top. Okay. Now, see if I can tighten it up. Okay, got that tight. Now I gotta take this bottom bolt off. All right. Now I gotta put the bottom on. We'll tighten it up now. See that one tight. Alright, tighten this baby up. Whew. Tell you the vice grips. There we go. Now it's getting tight. Loosen it a little bit. That's tight enough there. All right, got them on. So now it's time to put it back in here. All right, got the bottom holes in there. Okay, that one's in there. And that one's in there. All right, got the bottom holes in. I need to tighten up. Got the second transmission hose, I think, or something. I don't know, but that's on. Got that one on, but I need to tighten up that bottom. All right, bottom hose tight. Now, time to hook up this top hose. All right, now it's time to hook up the reservoir. I think I feel where I'm gonna put it at. So, I think I need these hoses. So, what I'm gonna use this one. Alright, so this one goes on the top. Oh, I'll put wood there. Oh. So, okay. So it got to be like upside down. Alright, tighten this up. Ooh, that's kind of skinny. I might need to get, that one look too big. Try this one. Yeah, that one look a little too big, so I'm gonna use this one. Still a little tight little squeeze. Let me see if I can tighten it up. Let me see. Nah, that's too big. that's just right. So I need one. What size is this? 1/4 inch. What size is this one? 7.9 millimeter. This one's 6.3. I need 6.3. Unless this one, yeah, it's good. Same. Alright. So I gotta get another skinny hose like this. So I think I'm gonna go to Vince Auto. I'll be back. Alright, made it up here to AutoZone. And I got the hose I needed. Is it this one? Yep, this is the hose right here I got. I got me some antifreeze, some coolant. I'm about to go back to the house, mess with it. The hose only cost me $2.49, and generic Freon cost me $13.99. So that's not bad. Yeah. Let's get ready to go to the house. And it looks like it's gonna rain on me. But I know I need to, one, I need some gas in the car. Two, I need to put some air in my tires. And 3, I need to charge my battery up. But yeah, I'll see y'all when I get there. Alright, get these hoses on. Open it up some more. Make sure I get it all the way on. And I might need me a clamp too. I don't see it. Okay. I feel like that's one. And I need to have it upside down. Okay. Okay. Upside down. I'm gonna have to probably mount it. I think I might want to come around. Don't want to come up on there or on top of it. Alright, now I gotta see where I'm gonna put, how I'm gonna hang this. Cause here we gotta be. Alright, that's the overflow. Let's go ahead and do something like that. I'm gonna have to mount it. I don't know how. I need to be on top. Okay. It's gonna be something like this. I gotta see when it closes. Alright, I had to stop for a while. I don't know how long, but you hear it starting. So, then we're gonna take us a little break. Alright, got the radiator in. But right here is kind of iffy. I don't know how I feel about that. I'll wait my man's come see what he got to say. But I just got to tighten up these bolts on the end. and I'll be